G'day, I'm Jacob from Make Science Fun. Thanks for joining me today. It's an exciting day because 5 years ago I started this channel, Make Science Fun. Now, I'm a science teacher and I was thinking about leaving my job as a science teacher and going out on the road and doing science shows and that sort of stuff. And a good friend of mine said, no, stay with your job, but start up a YouTube channel and do all your sciencey stuff and build up an audience and then consider what your future can be. And I thought that's a good idea, and so that's exactly what I've been doing. Now the video is entitled How to Make Money from Your Videos, and I'm going to give you some good hints and some good tips on how to make money from your videos, and it's not just from YouTube, let me assure you. Okay, so here are my analytics for the last 5 years. As you can see, I've had 22.4 million watch time minutes, 15.1 million views, I've got 37,000 subscribers, and over my 5 years I've had $14,500 of money raised from YouTube. Now it might sound like a lot, but I can tell you for the 5 years that's actually not that much, considering the amount of money I've spent on equipment and on consumables and the hours that I've put in. But, you know, for the first year or so, you know, I was only getting a couple of hundred views a day. And then after 1 year, it started going up to a few thousand. There's a few little peaks here, and that's because I actually paid YouTube to run my videos at the beginning of other videos just to try and build up views and subs and that sort of stuff. Around about here in 2016, 2 years after I started, one of my videos started going well, and that was the how to get an A+ in your science fair project. And that was my #1 video for maybe two straight years. Basically my entire channel depended on it. And then, as you can see, in 2017, so 3 years after I started going really well. 20,000, 25,000 views a day. I thought I was going to, like, you know, go up and up and up, but then I started going down and down and down, you know, and getting down to like 10,000 views a day. Massive peak here where I think this was a car reveal video that I did. It went super good in like Poland or something like that. Wasn't generating much money, but the views are out of this world. Wasn't generating subs either, which was unfortunately. And then, you know, the last year, I reckon the channel basically tanked. You know, down to like 10,000, 8,000 views a day. And it's only been the last 3 weeks where two of my videos, the leaf blower go-kart video and the science fair project ideas, actually no, that's the top videos over the top life. It's actually been the leaf blower and the go-kart bin one been going well. The last 48 hours though, 2 videos going really well, but as you can see, basically if it wasn't for those 2 videos, the channel would be tanking. And so, I don't know, this second video, the bin hack is starting to go down, and so could be in a bit of trouble. But as I'm about to tell you throughout the rest of this video is, don't put all your eggs in the one basket. Don't put all your videos in the one YouTube basket. But the really exciting thing happened, and this is what opened up my eyes to that there's actually more income, that you can actually generate more income with your videos than just on YouTube, was that I did this video where I was going to Japan with some students, and so we were doing a cultural video, and so like I did a video where I could talk to the whales. And so I made this like underwater machine sort of thing. Was a bit of a fake thing. The whales came to the boat, and it was a good video. It was a lot of fun, and I put it up on YouTube. But then a day later, I got contacted by Newsflare. Now, Newsflare is a video content manager in the United Kingdom. A little bit like Video Rumble, Viral Hog, that sort of thing, but better. Because they're fairly small, they can actually look after each video quite well, and they can promote it to news channels, Facebook channels. Anyway, I made about 3 sales and made about $500 on this whale video, and they contacted me again and said, hey, do you have any other videos that we could possibly sell? I'm like, oh, well, I've got a few, you know. And so I put up this beachworm one and Turbo Up My Toy. And, you know, I made $1,500 off this beachworm video, I kid you not. Now, I've been with Newsflare 4 years now, 4 years, and I've uploaded about 330 videos, and I've made, I think, about 610 sales. You can sell each video more than once. You own your videos still. You're not like selling them. You own the video, and people are paying for the right to use the video. And anyway, in the last 4 years, I've generated $40,000 of cash from my Newsflare videos. That's right, $40,000 of cash. So look, I can tell you, if you've got something interesting, a good video or footage, you just upload like raw footage that's interesting. You've got to own it, of course. You've got to be the one who has taken the footage, and then you let them work their magic. They'll try, and if they think it's good, they will promote it, and they will get sales for you. So if you do get a sale, let them know Jacob Make Science Fun sent you, and then I can get a little bit of a kickback as well, which would be really good. Another place that I market videos is a place called JuniorTube. JuniorTube is a video subscription service, and they're really good. They curate the videos for like young people and make sure that there's nothing bad in them. And you know, parents pay a subscription every month. Anyway, I've been generating about $150 a month from JuniorTube. I've actually entered some video competitions and done quite well. One was a Mountain Dew, doing the Dew competition, where I organised 6 of my son's friends, and I organised the equipment, and they organised this slip and slide down this sand hill, and came second place. I won $10,000. So fantastic. But then last year as well, there was a Facebook competition by Royal Caribbean Cruises. You had to recreate an activity that you could do on the cruise, but then also maybe do it on land at home. And so I made this North Star for the kids. Anyway, I won it was a 12-day cruise. A 12-day cruise to New Zealand. It was worth like $9,000. And I won it. How good's that? That was an awesome cruise. That was fantastic. Who buys these Newsflare videos that I'm talking about? Well, like Lad Bible, Refresh, Unilad, okay? The Hook, all these big Facebook sites, they actually buy videos from Newsflare. And I've got a video, the triple leaf blower video. It's gone to 50 million views on Facebook. That's right, my video's gone 50 million plus. They only paid $150 for that video and have generated 50 million views. And there's, you know, I've got a video arcade video up there that's over 40 million views. I've got all these Lego ones that are over 10 million views. I've got this car reveal one over 50. Anyway, these companies are buying like my videos for a pittance, really, $150, and generating tens of millions of views from my footage. And so now I'm pretty sure I'm actually going to start running some of my past 300 videos. Now I've got lots and lots of videos. I'm going to actually start putting up a video every single day on Facebook, 3 minutes long, and seeing if I can start generating some income via the Facebook video ad roll sort of thing. Wish me luck. You know, through the Facebook, Channel 9 found me, and so I started doing TV stuff. But I started doing science on TV, and that's a lot of fun. Didn't pay any money, right? Did it for free, but, you know, I got good exposure. Publisher saw me, and I ended up writing some books for them. So what will the next 5 years bring? Who knows? But what I am sure is, and it's the biggest tip I can give you, is make sure all your videos are not in the one basket. Try and find multiple platforms to put your videos. YouTube, Newsflare, JuniorTube, Facebook, Instagram, okay? Get your videos out there. Look for places to put your user-generated content, and you'll have a much better chance of generating income than just off YouTube alone. So anyway, thanks for the support over the last 5 years, and especially to my regulars, and I'm looking forward to the next 5 years. So go ahead, make science fun, and I will catch you guys again soon. Bye for now.